sun suddenly started coughing. Each cough burst out like a powerful storm. Huge gusts of force shot outward, racing across the solar system with incredible speed. With each cough, the planets started getting pushed out of the solar system. As AumSum woke up from deep sleep, he observed the planets getting pushed out. As AumSum moved closer to investigate, a powerful cosmic energy surged through his body. Incredibly, AumSum discovered that he could now absorb and shoot out powerful shockwaves. Without wasting time, AumSum rushed toward the sun. Just as another massive cough burst outward, he positioned himself in its path and absorbed it completely. The sun continued releasing burst after burst. AumSum moved quickly, absorbing each one. AumSum then focused hard and shoot out a massive cough towards the sun. The cough hit the sun hard and miraculously cured the sun's cough. Everyone cheered loudly for their hero, AumSum. The giant planet Jupiter suddenly started growing. It expanded and expanded until it became even bigger than the sun itself. The famous Great Red Spot swelled into a gigantic swirling storm and started threatening the planets. Floating quietly in space, AumSum noticed the giant storm. As AumSum moved closer to investigate, a powerful cosmic energy surged through his body. Incredibly, AumSum discovered that he could now control storms. AumSum moved closer to the gigantic Jupiter. The gigantic storm roared across its surface, spinning wildly and stretching outward like giant ribbons. Without hesitation, AumSum raised his glowing hands. At first, the storm resisted. AumSum focused deeply. Gradually, the outer edges of the storm began to slow down. The spinning winds weakened. The enormous Great Red Spot slowly reduced in size. As the storm calmed, the disturbances across the solar system began to fade. Everyone cheered loudly for their hero AumSum. The giant planet Jupiter suddenly started to shrink, and in a shocking transformation, Jupiter became a powerful black hole. Its many moons were now in grave danger. They were getting pulled inside the black hole. Floating nearby, AumSum noticed the sudden chaos. As AumSum moved closer to investigate, a powerful cosmic energy surged through his body. Incredibly, AumSum discovered that he could now split into multiple versions of himself, each shining brightly like a small star. Now, many glowing AumSums moved swiftly toward a different moon and started pushing them outward. As the moons drifted farther away from danger, all the glowing AumSums turned their focus toward the center. They gathered around the black hole, forming a bright circle of energy. With one final surge of power, all the AumSums released a massive burst of light. The darkness began to shrink, and Jupiter was finally reborn. Everyone cheered loudly for their hero AumSum. Something unusual began to unfold in the quiet stretch of space. Without warning, two extra moons appeared beside the original, each glowing strongly. Suddenly, planet Earth became surrounded by extreme silvery brightness. AumSum was traveling through space when the triple glow caught his attention. As AumSum entered the region filled with bright moonlight, something unexpected happened. AumSum discovered that he could now gather and hold excess moonlight within his body. Encouraged, AumSum floated closer to the nearest extra moon and allowed its bright glow to wash over him. Slowly, streams of moonlight peeled away from the extra moon's surface and flowed toward his glowing form. The first extra moon's shine suddenly dimmed. The second extra moon also started dimming as he gathered its excess light as well. But then, something incredible happened. The extra moons began drifting closer to the original moon. Eventually, they merged into the original moon. Everyone cheered loudly for their hero AumSum. Earth suddenly started crying. Gigantic streams of water burst out from its surface and started floating freely into space. The moon watched in shock as waves of water slowly surrounded it. Doing yoga in space, AumSum noticed this unusual sight. As AumSum moved closer to investigate, a powerful cosmic energy surged through his body. Incredibly, AumSum discovered that he could now control massive amounts of water. Without wasting any time, AumSum rushed toward the nearest floating mass of water. He stretched out his glowing hands and guided the floating water back toward Earth. One by one, he gathered the drifting water masses. AumSum then moved closer to Earth and carefully placed his glowing hands near its surface. Using his power, he gently calmed the flow of water. Slowly, the streams of tears began to reduce and finally came to a stop. Everyone cheered loudly for their hero, AumSum. AumSum was standing on an open field late at night, quietly watching the moon glow above him. As AumSum lifted his hands toward the moon, something strange happened. As his hands moved, the moon also seemed to move slightly. Curious, AumSum moved his hands again. High above, the moon again responded to AumSum's movements. Miraculously, AumSum could now control the moon. Suddenly, the calm night shattered. A sharp cracking sound echoed across the sky. AumSum looked up quickly. Thin glowing cracks had appeared across the surface of the moon. Small pieces of moon rock began breaking away, floating loose around the damaged surface. The moon was cracking apart. As the cracks widened, more fragments drifted free. Some pieces began falling toward Earth. The ground below began trembling gently. If the moon continued breaking, the balance of the world would be lost. AumSum understood the danger immediately. Without hesitation, he stepped forward and raised both hands toward the sky. He focused deeply and reached out with his power. The broken moon resisted at first. AumSum lifted his hands higher and pulled firmly. Miraculously, one by one, the fragments stopped drifting and began moving back toward the moon. AumSum guided them carefully, slowing them down so they would not crash. Each piece slid smoothly back into place, fitting perfectly into the glowing cracks. But the moon was still unstable. The cracks continued spreading, threatening to open again. AumSum gathered the moonlight itself and pressed it gently into the damaged areas. Slowly, the cracks began sealing. The moon stopped shaking. The floating debris vanished. The night sky returned to stillness. The moon shone whole and steady again, lighting the world softly. Everyone cheered loudly for their hero, AumSum. AumSum was standing on a small hill in the evening. The sky slowly turned dark, and stars began appearing one by one. As AumSum looked upward, a sudden streak of light flashed across the sky. Out of nowhere, a glowing meteorite floated gently toward AumSum and stopped in midair just above his hand. Curious, AumSum lifted his palm. The glowing meteorite stayed there, hovering quietly. He moved his hand slightly, and the meteorite moved along with it. Miraculously, AumSum could now control meteorites. Suddenly, the sky brightened sharply as dozens of glowing streaks appeared at once. At first, it looked beautiful, but then AumSum noticed something alarming. The meteorites were falling lower than usual. Some were heading straight toward the town. If they struck the town, houses would be destroyed. People below began pointing upward in fear as the glowing rocks filled the sky. Without hesitation, AumSum stepped forward and raised both hands toward the falling meteorites. The first meteorite slowed suddenly. AumSum guided it gently to the side, sending it away from the town and toward the open sea beyond the hills. More meteorites followed. Some were larger, burning brighter, and moving faster. AumSum spread his arms wider and controlled several at once. He slowed them down one by one, carefully changing their paths. Each glowing rock curved smoothly away from the town, streaking harmlessly toward the distant ocean. One massive meteorite appeared next, glowing brighter than all the others. It rushed downward with incredible speed, shaking the air around it. AumSum planted his feet firmly and raised his hands high. He grabbed the giant meteorite with his power and slowed it sharply. AumSum turned it slowly, guiding it away from Earth and pushing it back toward space. The town cheered loudly for its hero, AumSum.